Hey guys, it's Winter, and today I'm with
Kiel.
She's Kiel, she's my friend, and
No.
we're not friends. So today, we're gonna do a challenge called Healthy Challenge. So basically what you're gonna do is, there's healthy food.
Foods.
It's not healthy. It's disturbing foods. And then there's this Benny. So we pick randomly. There's 6 foods, so we got. Wala pa nga. We're gonna start right now. We're gonna
What?
pick and split.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so she goes first.
What are you doing?
Shake.
Lemon! Oh my gosh, lemon!
One
How am I
bite.
gonna bite this?
Cool bite.
Yum.
No. Go. It's an old lemon.
Unwashed. I can't even.
It's gonna peel it and
Peel it, you know. Peel it lang.
she's gonna drink all of it. Fresh lemon juice. Beer. My turn.
Your turn.
Huwag yung sili. Ah! So I got the potato with soil.
No, I get to choose. No, this one.
Yeah, this it's just soil, right? Oh, go lang.
Does it taste good? Oh, yum. Yum.
Okay.
French fries. Ugh. Garlic! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, my breath is gonna sting more than it already
And
is.
she has a meeting later. Oh.
Where's my lemon?
Ramen, kinain mo?
Yeah, I swallow.
My turns. Chili, not chili.
8.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, what's this?
Oh my!
You got the chili.
Fun fact from Winter, I don't eat spicy foods.
Chew it, ah. I chew my garlic. No, puking. Spicy.
Grabe. Hindi ko kaya.
You want the lemon?
Hindi ko kaya.
Oh, he's crying! Okay. All the things he does for winter nights. Nakakaawa ka tingnan. Oh my gosh.
Hindi ko kaya.
Oh, he's gonna get water. I'm gonna eat it. It's actually good.
I deserve the apple.
No, I deserve it. Oh my gosh, please, no. Ah!
I deserve an apple, right?
I can't feel
Just
it.
bite like that.
No, of course not. I'm doing this for you winter nights. Not even winter.
She said winter night.
I need to rub this on his apple. See, I'm a pig.
Thank you guys for watching. It's been crazy. And you can follow her on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook.
No, not Facebook.
You can follow me also also in Twitter and Instagram. The links will be below. You can check those out for more Winter Night updates. Give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Donate your thumbs to us. Okay, so we're gonna see you guys next week. Bye!